Installation precautions.
As with any system, there are some critical do's and don'ts. It is imperative that qualified installers are aware of the dangers that could arise from incorrect installation.
While the Raupiano Plus system is particularly hardy and durable, it is a fundamental requirement that authorised installers handle the system components correctly. Please take note of the correct ways to handle Raupiano pipes. Contact with chemicals should be considered for each application. The Raupiano Plus technical information contains a chemical resistance guide for the pipe material. It clearly denotes the resistance for given concentrations and operating temperatures. This does not consider the SBR sealing ring, which should be considered separately. Be sure to contact Rehau for any queries. Trade waste is any wastewater that is not discharged from private residential premises. As such, trade waste is a broad term covering a wide range of applications. The robust properties of Raupiano Plus means that it is a good product for use in greasy trade waste applications, provided the operating parameters are not exceeded. It is particularly important to consider the chemical resistance of the pipe in trade waste applications. Due to the broad range of conditions possible in trade waste applications, it is recommended to contact Rehau in all instances to ensure a thorough review of the operating parameters is conducted. Raupiano Plus pipes and fittings have watermark certifications and are approved for installation within the concrete slab, pending approval of the structural engineer. There is an extensive list of requirements for direct installation in concrete. Please refer to the Raupiano Plus technical information, your structural engineer, and the relevant standards for this information when planning a concrete install. Please note a point of particular importance. If possible, it is recommended to completely insulate the embedded pipe sections to minimise sound bridging. If this isn't possible or there are no acoustic requirements, ensure that all joints are taped to prevent any concrete from penetrating the push-fit joint. Raupiano Plus systems shall not be used for the following applications. Installation subject to a continuous operating temperature greater than 90 degrees C or 95 degrees C for brief periods. Carrying wastewater containing prohibited chemicals. Installations with exposure either directly or indirectly to UV radiation, such as sunlight. Fuel station installations. For oil discharge.